In this repair video, we have a roller shade that's already been removed from the window and does not have any power applied to it. In our example, we've identified that the PowerView motor is on the right-hand side. To remove it, use a small flat blade screwdriver and gently pry it away from the retaining collar around the tube. Take care to not misplace the retaining collar, as it's critical to completing this repair. Once the old motor is removed, it's time to locate the new motor and prepare it for reinstallation. To reinsert a new motor, it does not matter which direction it's facing. You must align the grooves in the motor shaft and housing with the grooves in the retaining collar and roller tube. Once aligned, the new motor should slide into the tube with very little resistance. If the motor is difficult to insert, you should remove it and check the alignment with the tube. If your shade was partially lowered during the motor replacement process, it's time to roll it up completely now. And now it's time to move to the opposite side or idle end of our shade and make some adjustments. We'll start by removing the idle end components to check the upper limit stop and make sure it's in the correct position. On larger shades, you may also find a spring assist attached to the end of the shaft. Inspect it to make sure the spring is not damaged before reinserting it. This shade does not have a spring assist, so we'll start by turning the off-white upper limit stop clockwise until it won't turn anymore. Then we'll back it off about 1/4 of a turn. During this adjustment, there's no need to adjust the clear plastic bottom limit here. With the shade in the fully rolled up position, it's time to align the grooves in the limit mechanism and outer collar with the grooves in the roller tube and begin reinserting the mechanism gently until it's fully seated. With the components reinstalled, our repair is complete. It's a good practice though to secure the bottom rail using rubber bands to keep it from unrolling during transit. And please remember, upon reinstallation, it's necessary to perform a 6-second recalibration to confirm the hard limit stops, and then use the remote to reset the upper and lower electronic limits. We'll refer to the installation instructions on exactly how to do this.